Hi, I'm Anusha. I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today I'm going to be talking about hair serums from Minimalist. Actually, I think Minimalist has 5 hair serums, out of which I have 3 of them. All these hair serums target different hair concerns, and the way to use these hair serums is also different. Some are leave-on hair serums, some are wash-off hair serums, and they serve different purposes for the hair. So I'll be explaining and reviewing these 3 hair serums, and I'll also tell you how my experience, like whether I like them or not for these 3 serums, so that you can pick a hair serum that best suits your hair requirement, and you can make an informed decision whether to invest in these hair serums or not. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. The hair serums that I have in my hand are their Maleic Bond Repair Complex 5% and their newly launched Frizz Control Complex SPF 30 hair serum, and the other one is CPH Complex plus Oligopeptide 0.8% anti-dandruff hair serum. First, I'll talk about the Frizz Control Complex SPF 30 hair serum, which is a new launch from Minimalist. This one retails for 599 rupees for 50 ml of product or 30 ml. I think 50 ml of product. Yeah, 50 ml of product. And you have to use this hair serum within 6 months of opening of this bottle. They claim that this serum helps to reduce frizz, smoothen the hair, and protects the hair from UV damage and suitable for all hair types. These are the claims on the serum. Coming to the texture of the product, it is a very lightweight hair serum. It is not heavy at all, and it spreads very nicely on the hair. Basically, it feels like a very lightweight oil. If you apply grapeseed oil or any lightweight oil, how it feels, it exactly feels like that. And coming to the ingredients, it has some sunscreen filters. I leave the filters on the screen. And after that, we have some couple of silicones in the beginning of the ingredient list. And after that, we have argan oil, olive fruit oil, and we also have keratin and ceramides to help repair and nourish the hair. Coming to how to use, the instructions on use of this hair serum, this is a leave-on hair serum. We have to apply this serum after washing your hair, means after shampoo and conditioner, after towel drying the hair. Then we need to apply this serum on damp hair. I tried this serum a couple of times, and I noticed that when I take a little bit of larger quantities of this hair serum, then it is making my hair way down and very flat. But if I take like 4 to 5 drops for one section of my hair and 4 to 5 drops for the other section, so if I'm using like in total 8 to 10 drops of this serum on my hair, then it is working very nice. Like, it is making my hair frizz free, it is making my hair very smooth, and very shiny. So overall, I like this hair serum. Normally, I prefer hair serums that don't have a larger amounts of silicones in them. It has silicones, but it has oils and ceramides and keratin also. So I like this hair serum, and along with that, it is offering UV protection also. But we apply a very little bit of hair serum, right? So I'm not sure whether it will be able to deliver that amount of sun protection. It is claiming SPF 30 sun protection, but I'm not sure whether it can provide that much sun protection even if we are applying a very little bit of hair serum. But I think it is not pregnancy safe because they have used sunscreen filters. Yeah, it is mentioned on their website that this hair serum is not for pregnant or lactating mothers, and kids under 15 also cannot use this hair serum. So yeah, my final verdict is I love this hair serum. It is keeping my hair frizz free. I'm in search of a good hair serum from a very long period of time, and I think my hair loves it and I love it. It is keeping my hair frizz free, smooth, soft, and shiny and voluminous. So I like this hair serum from Minimalist. And after that, I have this Maleic Bond Repair Complex 5% hair serum. I think I emptied 2 bottles of this hair serum already. And this hair serum is loaded with amino acids, argan oil, and squalene. And they claim that it repairs and protects hair bonds. So that's the main purpose and main claim of this hair serum. And now coming to the pricing, it retails for 499 rupees for 50 ml of product. And again, you have to use this product within 6 months of opening of the bottle. And it takes me about 2 dropper fulls of product to completely cover my hair. I apply this hair serum before 1 hour before shampoo, and you have to leave it on like that for 1 hour, and you have to apply your shampoo, your conditioner, regular whatever hair shower routine you follow, you can follow that. So basically it is a pre-shampoo hair mask to strengthen your hair strands. So whenever I apply this hair mask, it makes my hair super smooth. I can feel that my hair is prone to less breakage, and I don't get split ends when I'm using this serum. I literally don't get split ends for months. So it is that effective in controlling the split ends. It is that effective in controlling the breakage. So if you have dried, damaged, or if you deal with split ends a lot, then I would say try this hair serum. Get this hair serum, apply this all over your hair like how you normally apply your hair oil. You have to apply it on your hair strands, not on the scalp, only on the hair strands. Even the this frizz control serum, you have to apply it only on the hair strands, not on the scalp. Similarly, you have to apply this Maleic bond complex hair serum only on the strands, and you have to leave it on for like that for 1 hour, like how you would normally leave your hair oil. You have to leave it like that, and after that shampoo your hair, and you can definitely see that your hair is getting more like stronger, and you can feel your hair is getting more smooth, more frizz free. So if you have dry damaged hair, then I would highly suggest you to get this serum from Minimalist. It will repair your hair, and you can feel that it is doing something good for your hair. So yeah, next we have the third serum is CPH complex plus oligopeptide 0.8% anti-dandruff serum. It retails for 499 rupees for 50 ml of product. Again, the same thing goes with this serum. It is a fragrance free product, and you have to use it within 6 months of opening of the bottle. It has dandruff fighting ingredients. The CPH stands for 3 different ingredients which helps to fight dandruff. I leave the ingredients on the screen. They are very difficult to pronounce. And after that, we have, along with those ingredients, we have salicylic acid, which is again very good if you have scalp issues, and we also have panthenol, which is very soothing. Now coming to how to apply this hair serum, you have to apply it directly on the scalp 1 hour before washing your hair. You have to divide your hair into sections, and you have to apply this hair serum. It is a very light liquid kind of hair serum, so you can easily apply it on your scalp. It is very lightweight, see. You can easily apply it on your scalp, and you have to leave it on for 1 hour, and then you have to wash it off with your regular shampoo and follow up with a conditioner. So that's how you have to use this product. It is a wash off product. You have to apply it on the scalp, not on the strands. So coming to how it works on my scalp, I don't have major dandruff issues, touch wood, but my scalp gets a little flaky now and then. But sometimes I like to apply these kind of products because it keeps the flakiness away from my scalp, and my scalp feels very fresh. So I would like to use these kind of product once in a while. So it is very effective in keeping my scalp fresh and clean. But my husband, he has dandruff issues, and when I use this hair serum on his hair, and it worked so well for his hair, like it is keeping his scalp clean for about 3-4 days. For people who suffer with dandruff, keeping the scalp very clean for 3-4 days is a big thing, trust me. So he's very happy about this serum. He uses it about twice a week, and it is keeping the dandruff away. So overall, I think it is very effective product in controlling the dandruff, or to regulate the dandruff on your scalp, or overall if you want to keep your scalp healthy. I think it is a great product. So overall, I would say if you have like very frizzy hair, and if you want to apply a serum after hair wash, then you can get this serum, the Frizz Control Complex SPF 30 serum. And if you have very dry damaged hair, and if you want to repair your hair, if you want to strengthen your hair, then you can get the Maleic Bond Repair Complex 5% hair serum. And if you want to keep your scalp clean, or if you have major dandruff issues, then you can go for CPH Complex plus Oligopeptide hair serum. I love all these 3 hair serums. They are very helpful for me. So I would recommend all these 3 hair serums, and you pick a hair serum that your hair needs. So that's the review on Minimalist hair serums. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and please also hit the like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.